yeah, guys, look at that, huh? It's a million times better than that awful yellow light. And what's good, YouTube? Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to change out the factory headlight on a 05 Dyna lowrider to an LED headlight. Let's get this done. The factory headlight's a normal bulb. I'll turn it on for you guys real quick. Factory bulb is yellow, ugly compared to my LED directionals. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna change this out for the LED so that we have matching lights. So opening up the box, guys, we got this covering, got some directions. Look at that, baby, that's sweet. You wanna wear gloves when handling these. You don't wanna get your fingerprints all over them. And that's why it also has the plastic protector on it. So I'm gonna show you how to change this out. It's super simple, super easy. It's only a couple minute job. Let's get to it. So on the 05 Dyna lowrider, you have this one screw. So zoom in there, you can see that. All we do is loosen that, take this ring off, and the whole headlight will come out. I'll set the camera down and we'll get to it. So after the ring is removed, the headlight just comes out. It's just one plug. There's two little things you gotta pinch on the sides and the bulb will come right out. As you can see, it's pretty dirty in there, so I'm gonna clean that up real quick and then I'll get to uninstalling this headlight and plug it in the new one. There we have it, guys, unplugged. I did clean the inside of the headlight assembly. All that in there is actually a little bit of surface rust because it's not finished on the inside, it's just metal. And we're gonna get this new headlight plugged in now. So there is a right and a wrong way to install this. On the top, it'll say DOT. That goes on the very top. It's literally just a plug. You plug it into the old plug, and then you insert it in, and you put back your ring, and that's it. That's the way your plug is probably gonna look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna wrap some electrical tape around it. It's not gonna come unplugged the way it is because you need to press the tabs, but I just don't like the fact that it's bare metal showing. So I'm just gonna tape it up. There we have it, all taped up, nice and clean. It's not gonna come undone. So what you wanna do now is turn on your headlight and make sure everything is functioning. So let's go over here, turn the key. Oh yeah, we got power. All right, we can set it back in and tighten her up. You wanna make sure it's seated properly all the way around. Just like that. Make sure it's seated good all the way around. And then we can get to tightening it up. There we have it, guys. Give her a little wiggle jiggle. Make sure she's all tight. Make sure nothing moves. Everything seems good. Nothing's going anywhere. Let's turn her on and check her out. Oh yeah, guys, look at that, huh? It's a million times better than that awful yellow light. Let's check out the high beam. Wow, that's blinding, guys. That looks so much better. I'm so pumped. Look at that. That looks great, guys, and it was super easy to do. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up. Comment below what you think of the new LED headlight. Super easy. I think the thing cost me like $32 on eBay. So, I mean, you can't go wrong. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button and peace out.